Hi everyone, I'm Ethan, Project Manager from Solarvest. Today, we are here in Kampar, Perak, showcasing a 48 MW peak large-scale solar project. The name of this project is Summer Solar, where Solarvest is appointed as the EPCC partner to deliver the project. What makes this project unique is that it adopts a hybrid installation method to combine both floating solar as well as ground-mounted solar within the same site. The floating solar system generates 10.5 MW peak, while the ground-mounted system adds another 37.5 MW peak. That brings the total installed capacity to 48 MW peak. For the floating solar system, we adopted a modular floating structure design coupled with complex anchoring solution that adapt to water level changes while maintaining panel stability and tilt angle for optimal energy generation. The ground-mounted system, on the other hand, is designed based on various site conditions such as terrain, PV panel tilt angle, and soil condition to maximize the performance efficiency and long-term reliability. Once commissioned, it will generate significant amount of clean energy and reduce substantial carbon emissions, delivering both long-term value and real ESG impact.